Yeah, hi. This one's for Thomas. Thomas, it's Mark FMAV, your Jukebox laser. Okay. So basically, on receipt of receiving it, I tried it, and what basically was happening is it was working intermittently. Okay, so it skipped tracks and things like that, and you know that is just a common fault on these lasers, and specifically the laser that you had in it. Because it's one of the newer types, and they do go faulty, and they go faulty very, very quickly, unfortunately. So what I have done is I've put a laser in there for you. I've checked your cogs, which are like beautiful, clean, spanking. Your board's nice and clean. Your micro switches, I've checked all of them for you, and give them a little clean. So this unit here, this is 100% working, without any faults or any jumps or hang-ups on the unit. It sounds to me like you have actually got other problems with it, but I just want you to know that this part is working, okay? And you can see it here spinning. This is your actual part, okay? That I've repaired, and it is working as it should be. You can hear it playing away, and I've had it playing away now for a good about 2.5 hours, as I do while I work for others. When I test them, I do test them thoroughly, because I don't want parts coming back to me. But what we do obviously, we offer a 6-month warranty. Okay, so if this laser goes down within 6 months, I will replace it free of charge. Okay. All we ask for is the postage back to you, alright, which is, so basically we replace it free of charge and not charge anything, okay, so you got 6 months on that. I just want you to see it working, and put your own mind at peace, because, I think you said you had an arm problem there or something like that, which also could be, part of it. So, you might need to get someone in to take a look at that for you, or you might be lucky, it might have just been the CD, so it might go back in and it might work. So hopefully that is the case for you, because I'd like you to get your system up and running again because of the work that we've done. So yeah, so okay, that's going out to Brighton today, and that should be with you tomorrow morning. So thank you ever so much for your business, and we do appreciate it.